Hey, love bugs! Did you notice we did a little, I wanted you guys to see the little bob action, little Bobbiana. Today I teamed up with Myfirstwig. They sent me over this beautiful 10-inch Yaki straight bob. She has a beautiful balayage, keeping it real with the nice dark root. This one is a pre-everything wig, so it's going to be super simple, easy, and beginner friendly to install. You don't have to cut the lace, you don't have to bleach the knots, you don't even have to pluck the hairline. All of that was done for you. If I did not mention, mine in particular is a beautiful Yaki Malaysian, so she's gonna have a really nice lifespan on her. And also look at how flawless this hairline is. She is a glueless install. So if you're interested in seeing how we installed this one, super simple, easy, and beginner friendly, let's get started. Okay, love bugs, happy Monday for me. Happy whatever day it is for you in your world. Today I'm working with Myfirstwig, and they are one of the loveliest companies ever. I love the fact that the packaging and the presentation is so amazing. They always send me these beautiful portable tripods for your wig. I don't know if you'll call it a tripod or a wig stand. I think wig stand probably is the best thing to say. You open it up, you pop it in together in these 3 pieces, and you're able to have a convenient wig stand no matter where you are. So they also sent me this beautiful wig that I already know is beautiful, but of course you guys have seen it too in the intro. And inside, presentation again is everything. I'll show you guys the goodies at the end of the video. But for now, we are going bob, and I already think that this is my Thanksgiving hair. So today is Monday, Thanksgiving is I believe Thursday, and I'm already gonna go ahead and install this one now. Then I'm gonna take it off because it is glueless, and then we are going to like re-put her on Thanksgiving Day. And as you guys can see, it does have a nice darker root, and then it goes out into that beautiful like brown balayage all the way around. I feel like when they kind of concentrate the root on being more dark, it does give it a little bit more of a luxury quality in my opinion. So I love that they did that. And then you take the tissue paper off, and this is a pre-everything style wig, which means that the lace is already pre-cut for us, and it does have that nice camo in it. I don't know if you guys can see. And then the knots are pre-bleached, and the hairline is also pre-plucked. When you flip it around to the middle, you also notice that it is a bust down middle part, but you can switch it up. So this is a frontal style. You get ear to ear parting, so you can do nice like sideburns or baby hair on the side if that's your zhuzh. And then you get the deep parting more so towards the center. You do get 2 combs up here, and then when you go onto the nape, you get a comb back here as well, the adjustable straps, and then you get a little excess lace, which is already pre-cut and everything for you as well. So for whatever reason, if you want to put this one up, you can definitely have that nice natural look in the back just as you do in the front. I think I already said the adjustable straps, but then also you do get the removable and adjustable elastic band. This one is already adjusted to the center. I'm going to go ahead and adjust the straps to the center as well, and then we can go ahead and see if this is giving Thanksgiving in the living room, or we're gonna get some fire pictures type of vibe. Okay, I'm already feeling her. Let's go ahead and fire up the hot tools. So we're going electric hot comb for a little dynamic duo action, and then flat iron for a little silk press, if you will. Okay, I love how natural the parting is. Like, that's the first thing I noticed. I love the cut and color on this one. This is that perfect cut where you got a little length to her. Once you do your bump, it's gonna hug and kiss the shoulders, just a little bit below the shoulders. Literally so perfect. Should you want to do something different with the hairline, like change up your parting, you most certainly can. This is what she would look like parted, and that actually looks fire. It almost looks even better or even more edgy. But since I'm gonna be cooking and things, I'm gonna want to be able to put the hair behind the ears, you know, be cute but kind of be practical. So this is what it's giving. Again, a really nice dark root. The parting goes back a little bit further than this, so you can for sure extend it out more. And the parting was here at first, so look at how much further it can go back. It literally can go all the way back, and I actually want to utilize that. So we're going to hit it with a little dynamic duo, and I like to drag that along the whole parting. I am pretty generous with this, so if you are a little bit more uncomfortable about like using product on your hair, especially your bobs, take your time and just do a little bit at a time. But I already know I want this much. Now before we get into the styling, let me give you guys a 360 view. Super fire. Push it back a little bit. And then I don't know if I showed you a good look at the hairline, but the hairline is absolutely flawless as well. We can take care of those sideburns a little bit, but we can keep it gully and just go forward. And I think that makes the most sense. Or you can kind of hike it up and go backwards and then go forward, which is I think most my style. Let's just go ahead and start working on it and seeing what we come up with. I'm gonna take a little bit of this, and I think All Day Locks Edge Gel Extreme, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take care of my edges. Lots of laughter happens on Thanksgiving, so we want to be certain that, you know, you don't want to see those natural edges pop through on such a sleek bob. And without even using a brush, that pretty much did the trick, but you can definitely go in and just brush them back in place, and that actually looks so good. Okay, I'm gonna watch some YouTube because I just haven't been having the time to, and I want to catch up with some of the girlies. So I'm gonna go ahead, you guys seen I already put the wax. I'm probably gonna go in with a little light hold hairspray to really like, especially because my braids are not the flattest underneath, so I really want to get it super flat up here. So let's go ahead and do that, aka the dynamic duo, and then we're gonna decide how we want to do, or what we want to do with the hairline before we go ahead and slay the slope press.
Time takes a toll on everyone, they say. Time is merciless, it won't wait for us to change. Time, I am stressing out, I can't figure out what to say.
And just that quickly, look at how much more sleek it looks. I haven't even touched the ends yet, opposed to this side. So let's go ahead and make both sides match, and then we move on to the next step.
Oh, time, just give us time. Time, looking back on pictures, and I find it hard to see you and myself in places where we used to be. Oh, time, we got older, babe, and I wanna stay with you. Don't got time for games. Now what you wanna do? Tell me now if you will go with me all the way.
Okay, quick update. I went ahead and sped through to get the hairline melted down, as you guys can see, and I am realizing this is just who I am. Like, I was trying to show you guys how it looks super flat and straight down, but I kind of like it when it's like hiked back and showing off the hairline. Okay, dynamic duo in the hairline.
Every night, every day, promise will never change. Are you gonna love me?
Okay, this is where we are for the hairline. I love it like this. I feel, again, like it's more me. So now we can go ahead and press the ends.
Love me with my flaws and all. Will we be in love, babe? Promise.
Okay, so we are almost at the home stretch. I love the way it looks. I went ahead and did an amazing job getting it super flat up top with the dynamic duo, but then I kept it simple with the ends, and I did like just go ahead and like kind of silk it, kind of bump it. And then for the last step, we're gonna go ahead and tint the lace. And so what I love about Myfirstwigs is you really don't have to do much at all. I feel like the lace already looks skin-like. You just want to tone it down to my specific color. So you guys know I am a 15 and a 16. Yeah, 15 and then 16 in these palettes. 15 is more like in my actual color tone, skin tone. 16 is my contour. So I'm gonna go in and pack in a little bit of both shades in the 15 palette and try to press it in. When you are unsure if the lace is going to match, I like to start maybe a little bit ways back and just kind of like dab it in and just see if I like that color. And then if I do, I can bring it forward. And then if I don't like it, I can go ahead and modify. But I try never to start in the front, just because if I don't like the color, it'll be a little bit harder to, it'll be a little bit more noticeable even if you touch it up, if that makes any sense. And I just pack it in from front to back, and that is more of like a skin-like color in my opinion. And then I'm gonna take the same brush and I'm gonna lay it flat, and then I'm gonna go in 16, do a little bit of both.
We will never fall. Time took a toll on us, I'll say. Time is merciless, it won't wait for you to change. Oh, time.
this looks absolutely perfect. I'm definitely ready. Now I am a little bit more streetwear with my outfit, but just think like fun, flirty, sexy holiday sweater, or just a nice little top, a little button up, a little peplum top, whatever you're into. Nice little comfy leggings and a boot or a loafer. I think this is the perfect addition. And the great thing is that because we did a dark route, you can go makeup or no makeup and it'll look good. So since I am cooking this year, if I decided to, or if I didn't have time to do like a quick little face, a little makeup, I think this is still gonna look good. I'm thinking I'm probably gonna end up doing my lashes the night before and do some individuals, so that if I don't have time to do makeup, I can still have a little something going on. Or if I want to do a quick 10-minute makeup look, the lashes are already on. But this is the look. Let's give you guys a quick 360 again. I just shook my head the whole time because I know I didn't get it super good in the back, but you guys get the picture. She's absolutely gorgeous. And as you guys know, that Myfirstwig hair is super top-notch quality. So this one definitely is going to last a good amount of time. And for me, it's going to last even longer because I don't wear my wigs like often. Like I switch them up so much that this one's definitely going to last me a few years. If you wear yours like straight through like a whole season, you still be good too. So I'm getting right into the package. I already showed you guys the portable wig stand that they provided, and then also the box I showed you in the beginning. From there, they did give us this beautiful pink dust bag with the Myfirst logo wig, the Myfirstwig logo on it, and then they give us this little info card, and this one lets me know that this texture is Yaki. It mimics Afro relaxed hair. The length is 10 inches. The origin is Malaysian, which lasts 1 to 2 years in lifespan with good care, of course. And then of course the hair color is same as picture. The cap size is a 1, which is a 21.5 to 22 inch head. So if you ever measured your head, mine is like a 21.5. So this is my perfect measurement. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. I hope you guys are enjoying the holidays. It doesn't even feel like we're in the midst of the holidays. We already are at Thanksgiving, which means we only have Christmas and New Year's till 2025. I think none of us are saying 2025 is gonna be our year because we all have been through it in the last few years. So we are just hoping for the best and hanging on for dear life. I just hope that whatever's going on for you, you are enjoying the best and making the most of any and everything that's going on in your life, and you're doing it in style with Myfirstwig. I'm gonna have the details as well as a direct link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.